People don't realize this, but one single company is now controlling the future of artificial intelligence. And it's not Google, not Amazon, not Microsoft, it's NVIDIA. And if you miss what's happening right now, you might miss the biggest wealth shift of this decade.
Imagine waking up one morning and realizing the world just quietly entered a new economic era. An era where one company, more than any other, is powering the entire global infrastructure of artificial intelligence. That company is NVIDIA. Today, we're diving deep into the truth about NVIDIA's stock, the AI race, the trillion-dollar compute war, and what all of this means for your money. This is the video every investor needs to watch, whether you own NVIDIA, want to buy it, or think it's already in a massive bubble. Let's begin. NVIDIA is not just a chip company anymore. It's the backbone of the AI revolution. Data centers, autonomous vehicles, robotics, cybersecurity, cloud computing, healthcare AI.
When markets feel
Everything
noisy,
modern
it's
tech
easy to
companies are
focus only on
building
the
today
headlines.
depends
But
on
wealth is
NVIDIA's
built in the
hardware
quiet
and
moments,
software stack.
steadily,
Tech
deliberately over
giants
time.
like Amazon,
The key
Google,
is understanding where your money works
Microsoft,
hardest and
Meta,
letting long-term
Tesla,
discipline do the
and
heavy
even
lifting.
OpenAI rely on NVIDIA GPUs. Governments, militaries, and research labs worldwide depend on NVIDIA compute. Every AI startup that wants to train a powerful model is competing to secure NVIDIA hardware. But the rise wasn't overnight. This is a company that pivoted from gaming GPUs to scientific computing to cryptocurrency mining and now to full AI dominance. And the numbers shocked Wall Street. Revenue exploding past $50 to $60 billion. Data center revenue up triple-digit percentages. Profit margins stronger than most tech giants. Cash flow hitting historic records. NVIDIA's data center business is now bigger than its entire company used to be. Why? Because AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Llama require massive GPU clusters. And the only company capable of supplying them at scale is NVIDIA. Think of the AI industry like a pyramid. At the top are the AI apps you see every day. Underneath them are large language models. Under the models is the compute layer. And at the very bottom lies NVIDIA's hardware. If NVIDIA disappeared tomorrow, AI development would slow by years. This is why companies are literally fighting over access to NVIDIA chips. Every GPU NVIDIA manufactures is already sold out months in advance. We've never seen demand like this in tech history. This isn't just a market anymore. This is a global arms race. NVIDIA already dominates 80 to 90% of AI training chips, most AI inference hardware, advanced networking systems, proprietary software like CUDA, AI-focused supercomputers, and full-stack AI modules. AMD is trying to catch up. Intel is trying to survive. But NVIDIA is already years ahead. Even major nations, China, India, UAE, France, are building national AI centers powered by NVIDIA GPU farms. This is not just a company. It is infrastructure. It is strategy. It is geopolitics. Investors keep asking, is there still room for NVIDIA to grow? The reality is that AI demand isn't slowing down. It's accelerating. Over the next decade, AI infrastructure spending could cross $2 to $4 trillion. Data centers could triple in size. Autonomous systems will require compute. Medical AI models will require compute. Governments will buy compute at national scale. And guess who builds the engines for all of this? NVIDIA. But NVIDIA isn't just a hardware company. It's transforming into a platform with software, AI ecosystems, robotics frameworks, digital twin simulations, cloud AI services, and networking solutions. This multiplies revenue far beyond chips alone. But no stock is perfect, not even NVIDIA. The biggest risks are real. First, overvaluation. NVIDIA's valuation is extremely high and prices in years of future success. If growth even slightly slows, the stock could drop sharply. Second, competition. AMD is rising fast with MI300 chips. Intel is rebuilding, and startups are creating specialized silicon. Fourth, supply chain pressures. NVIDIA relies heavily on TSMC. Any disruption could slow production. And finally, the AI bubble possibility. If AI demand softens or companies overinvest, the market could correct dramatically. So, should you buy NVIDIA? This isn't financial advice, but this is the truth. If you believe AI is the future, if you believe compute demand will rise for decades, then NVIDIA is positioned at the center of that future. But timing matters. Buying into hype is dangerous. Buying after corrections is smarter. Long-term, NVIDIA could still be one of the most powerful companies of our era. Short-term, volatility is guaranteed. You should ask yourself, am I investing for 1 year or 10 years? Do I understand the risks? Do I think AI growth will slow down or accelerate? Your answers determine whether NVIDIA fits your strategy. NVIDIA is more than a stock. It is the engine of modern artificial intelligence, the new electricity of the digital world. Its chips train the most powerful models ever created. Its software powers the world's biggest data centers. Its innovation pace is unmatched, and its influence reaches from Silicon Valley to every corner of global technology. Will NVIDIA keep rising? Will competitors catch up? Will the AI revolution continue? The coming years will decide everything. But one thing is clear. We are living in the middle of the greatest technological transition in modern history, and NVIDIA is leading the charge. If you want more deep dive videos like this, make sure to subscribe, comment your thoughts, and tell me which stock or AI company you want next. The future is being built right now, and NVIDIA has the blueprint.